Looking to boost your car radio's reception without hassle? The universal antenna adapter lets you connect two antennas to one factory plug, making your setup cleaner and more versatile. If you've struggled with incompatible connectors or weak signals, this adapter offers a straightforward fix that fits right into your existing system. I've tested this adapter myself, and here's what stands out. It's built with two female Motorola inputs combined into a single male output, designed specifically to work with standard Motorola-type car radio plugs. The cable measures about 18 inches, long enough to give you flexibility, though some might prefer a shorter length for tidier installations. It's sturdy and reliable, delivering consistent performance without signal loss. The setup was straightforward, and it worked exactly as advertised, making it easy to connect dual antennas without extra fuss. One thing to keep in mind is shipping if you order from the US. While the adapter itself is solid, shipping costs and delivery times can vary. For example, shipping from the US to Canada might cost over $12 and take up to 2 weeks, whereas some international sellers offer free shipping with faster delivery. That said, the product quality justifies the wait if you want a dependable adapter that integrates seamlessly with your car's factory plug. If you're ready to upgrade your car audio experience and want a simple, effective way to connect two antennas, the universal antenna adapter is worth a look. It's a practical solution that delivers what it promises: no gimmicks, just reliable performance. Try it when you're ready and enjoy clearer reception on the road.